Okie dokie, I'll keep it low key like Thor, little bro, or he'll go blow the loudy. Salty if sour.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Leah, and I am back with another video on my YouTube channel. Oh, ooh.
And believe in the
Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my wash and go.
It's no excuses.
I'll go through the tips and tricks and how I get it to be defined and how I get it to last long. I'm gonna show you how to dry your hair in an hour so that you can get out, you know, and still have nice curls. All right, enough of that. Let's get into the tutorial, ladies. So I start with my hair freshly washed. I do start off with 4 sections. It's just easier to work my hair out with the sections, so I just divide them up in 4. I start off with the TRESemmé Expert shampoo, and then I go in with the conditioner. Now I'm just gonna subsection my section, if you feel me. And then I'm gonna clip up the rest, and that's the first section I will be working with. So I'm just gonna drench my hair with some water because agua is good for those strands, honey. You know this, I know this, let's do it. The water I use is warm. You know what I'm saying? I like me some warm water. Really gets the hair saturated. Once I spray that section, I go in with my brush. So this is my brush I usually use in the shower. It just helps me clump my curls beforehand and gets rid of any tangles that I may have. I do finger detangle as well. I just like to use both just for extra security, if you know what I'm saying. Then I go in with the Texture ID styling cream. This is for all curl types. I've been using this for a good year now. I've been through at least 3 bottles, and it does what it says. The consistency of this product is pretty thick, which is great for my hair type. And yeah, I love this product. It's actually my favorite style cream. So I'm just working that product through, just raking it through. Then I go with the Eco Styler gel with the black castor and flaxseed gel. Flaxseed oil, sorry. And I just work that through my hair alongside the Texture ID. It makes a great combo, guys. My hair is feeling so smooth right now. So then I'm just going to continue to rake that product in until I'm satisfied with how my curls are clumping. And then I will move on to the next section. Now I'm kind of shingling my hair at this moment. Not entirely, but just to get, you know, the curls better defined. Now moving on to the next section here. Repeating the same process. I like to work with nice clean sections, so I'm just taking my tail comb here and dividing that hair that is so stubborn right now. Why? Then I'm just gonna clip that up and then do the same thing. Saturate my hair with some water, warm water. Get in there, honey. Get in there with the agua. Then I use the brush and comb that section out. Get it nice and smooth. Now I forgot to mention that I do use the Texture ID's leave-in conditioner. And I just worked that through before I go in with the style cream and the gel. Sometimes I forget this stuff, I'm not gonna lie. But I try to incorporate it. I try to get it in there. Okay, now I hate when this happens, hun. Don't be wasting product out here. Can you just go on the hair strands? Now I'm raking my hair through. Boo, boo, boo. Get that section nice and smooth. Again, not really shingling, but just getting to those curls to get them nice and clumped. Once I'm satisfied, I move on to the next section. So pretty much repeating the same steps. I go in with some water, some leave-in, the style cream, and then finally the Eco Styler Gel. Well, I'll shut up now and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Lord knows I had to keep myself entertained while I'm doing my hair. So I was probably listening to like one of my favorite songs, jamming out. And I'm halfway through my hair and my hands do get a little tired, so I like to stretch them out, you know what I mean? Do get tired. I need to keep myself hydrated while I'm doing my hair because it does take quite a bit of time. For the front of my hair, I like to take a brush and just smooth down those edges, get them ready for dry time so that they're just not scattered all over the place. And lately my edges have been crying out for help, so I've been trying to slick them down. Want to see something cool? Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. Oh, and she's done. Look at her. Look at that hair. Flip it. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. Look at that curl definition, ladies. I'm telling you. Then I go in with my black castor oil. This is straight from Jamaica. Straight! I feel like Safari sometimes, but I'm not. But yes, I just work on those edges, honey, because my edges need a little prayer, need a little Jesus. And yep, that's pretty much it. Oh, no, it's not. I go in with the L'Oreal Heat Serum, and this is just because I'm going to go under the dryer. And this is how I dry my hair in 30 minutes, roughly. I go under a hooded dryer and, you know, I just wait it out for a good half an hour. And most of the time, I'm like 90% dry. Yep, I'm either on my phone, because there's nothing else to do when you're under the dryer, or reading a book. And that's it, ladies. Thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button along with the bell notification. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.